I don't think I'm gonna walk very far today. Not that I really walk all that far. Anyway, I just had something else that I was gonna try to do that I remembered after I left. So, just do a quick little loop. Scheduled another meeting. This one's for the wife for one of her medical issues. So we get to meet tonight. See if that works out. I mean it's a big thing, but we got time. It's not the other big thing that's happening. There's a lot of big things happening that I don't really know how much I should say about either right now. But it'll come eventually. So yeah, that's it. I had somebody over earlier today to look at the whole house dehumidifier. I was all excited about getting that, putting it in. I was going to show everybody what it does and how great it was, but it's kind of been a flop. The guys that came in today looked at it. They agreed with me of what it's doing, which is it's hooked up to the ductwork, so it sucks the air in to the unit, and it's supposed to take the moisture out. It does that, and then it sends it back into the ductwork. But I think the fan in the unit itself is stronger than the always-on fan of my air conditioner furnace blower. So it just sucks the air in, dehumidifies it, puts it back up, goes back, sucks it back in. So that air in that 20 feet of ductwork is about 10% less humid than the rest of my house. It's great if you're living in the ductwork breathing that, but surprisingly enough, we're not. So they took a bunch of pictures, I guess, and they're going to call the manufacturer of the unit for their suggestions on what to do, because apparently my ductwork is unique or something. I think every house could probably say that. But anyway, that's been the morning so far, aside from all that pesky work stuff. But it's a nice day, so I thought I'd get out and walk a little bit and talk to you fine people. Well, hey. So what's so important that I want to do that I'm going to give up my fitness for? Security. That's what movies. This is just kind of pointed high. Kind of see, that's what it looks like. So I bought these little wedges, come in a 3-pack. I can't really imagine that. I guess that's not that big of an angle either way, but to where you need 3. But so I got one. I painted it semi-brick colored. You can't really see it too well. And see how to fix that. It's kind of cool. They send you special tools to take their stuff off. I like it. Okay, so sometimes it's a little slow to connect. Status bars. What can I say? Hello? Hello? Guess I have more painting to do. I'll put this back up. Gotta put this back up and then go back to work and do this another day. See, lunch is over. Kind of my unofficial painting chair. My kind of brick colored paint. Not too bad. We'll come out and take a look a little bit later, see if it needs its second coat, but I don't think it does. It's kind of thick spray paint because it's got the texture and stuff in it, and any little oddities actually it kind of looks good on the brick. As I lose my balance and almost fall down in the living room. So yeah, I'll read the instructions to see if it says that I need new holes in the wall. It's always kind of weird drilling holes in your house, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I got a little excited, I guess. The paint was still a little bit tacky and an error there and a couple over here. I think I'll still drill the holes. I should probably paint this first. I'll drill the holes and then I'll take it back to the yard because I don't feel like moving where I'm working right now and putting all this stuff away. Apparently hit a really hard pot. Most of the ring stuff I've had, or that I've bought, has been like spot on. Like they designed everything really well. This one, I don't feel like I'm really doing it wrong. But the plate, to have it at this angle, I had to drill new holes and kind of new countersink holes. And it didn't have anything to do with me drilling the extra holes. It's like the screws here that hold it on there are designed for it to be upside down. But this is the angle that it needs to be for my situation. And then the whole plate just doesn't fit in there right. I think I'll get it working and then maybe make my own. I mean, just get a block of wood and drill some holes in it, right? I hate them. View's a little better, I think. I will just build my own box though. Alright, so my review for this would be the Ring Video Doorbell 2, I guess is the official name. I like it. It's a little slow to start up sometimes. And I'm not sure, it kind of seems like people can't hear me very well, because I know I've answered the door and then I see them going. It's kind of funny, but we've always been able to get the point across. I can hear them, they can hear me, but I guess the important thing is the security can answer the door anywhere. So that all works. You can go to the live camera anytime you want. It's kind of nice. It's just a really wide angle. I would say not quite 180 degrees. I don't remember if it said somewhere, but I can see all the way to the left of my house, and I can see the driveway, like all the way, most of the whole car. But the angle kit that I got, it is an actual Ring product. Paperwork somewhere else, but either I did something incredibly wrong, it's just possible, but I don't think so, or it just the design is off just a little bit. So I think I will just go grab a hunk of wood and see if I can cut myself a few times with that and hack it down into the right size and shape so I can see the whole porch and see packages that are delivered. So go ahead and feel safe in sending me things. And then that's pretty much about it for that. Here's the package. So yeah, it was Ring. I did order it from somewhere else, but that shouldn't matter. It did specify which doorbell I had. Ordered the right product. It's just not quite right. Doesn't look very good in my opinion. Just, I mean, it's nice that you can paint it. I painted some other things that are out there the same brick kind of color, like an outlet cover, things like that, and they're not noticeable, so that's good. But this one with the different level layers, you can still see all of those seams, and then it just didn't seem quite right. So I'm gonna keep working at it and figure it out so it'll hold it in there better, I think. Like I said, I don't think it should be that difficult. Been looking for a reason to buy some little tools. I think I need a router. It'd be nice. So yeah, that's it. You stay safe out there. Have a good one.